Corn is a GMO, ate. 95% of corn worldwide is genetically modified. Okay. How about soya? 99% of soya.
That's a xenoestrogen.
GMO.
Soya is a xenoestrogen. Anyway.
Yeah. You know, when I was studying, they said soya is good, right? Because it has that genistein. You know, it's one of the substances in soya that can regulate your hormones, you know. And then with the advent of the genetically modified organism, everything changed. You know, they're not as safe anymore. So they're just foods that it's just an imperfect world, you know. That's what I can say. Imperfect world. Okay. Okay, so sana po nagkakaintindihan tayo dyan. How about milk? Diba? Meron tayo yung milk ng kalabaw, milk ng goat, ano? Especially infill, you know, when you're infill, everyone loves milk, you know, especially the milk that you get from the Carabao because they're so tasty, they're fatty, you know. Okay, this is my concern with milk. Okay, wag po kayo magagalit sa akin. This is my concern. Some of the milk in the market, they have a growth hormones. So the growth hormones, these are hormones that you take in. So pag tinake in mo siya, then it can cause growth also of cancer cells. So hindi po siya maganda. Okay? How about yung organic? Now, this is another problem, okay? When we grow older, as we grow older, at the age of 20 up until 50 years old, we actually lose an enzyme, okay, to process all this milk. It's called lactase. So that time we don't have any more enzyme, okay? So most of us, we are actually lactose intolerant. So if you have lactose intolerant, you're gonna have diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, yan. So that's my take in on milk. How about almond milk? Okay. How about soya milk? Okay, majority of the foods out there, if you're familiar with GMO, that's another problem of us, your genetically modified organism, particularly with corn and soya, okay? This GMO, there was a research, okay? Are you okay, dude? Okay, there was a research about GMO. And these genetically modified organisms, what are these? These are organisms that have been genetically modified to suit a certain purpose. Okay, and what is the purpose? To not die. Okay, kasi usually if you plant them, they will have problems, right? So there's a lot of insects that would eat them, you know. So this is modified. They are modified genetically, so the insects will not eat them, or the insects, yeah, genetic. Okay, pwede din na they will not freeze. Okay, like in tomatoes. Some here in the US, there are tomatoes here that, you know, they put a gene on it, so it will not freeze during winter. Okay, so the problem is there was a research about this, research and experiment, and linking that these foods, GMO, they can cause cancer, infertility, yan. So kaya maraming infertile sa atin, di ba? Nagtataka kayo, how come there's so many infertile right now? And I think one of the reason is genetically modified organism. So you have to be very careful with that, okay? So let me, I just caution you, okay? So it's really your decision if you wanna listen to me or